I opened the door to my house, and when the sunlight came in, it illuminated how many dust particles were in the air. It was a ridiculous amount, highly concentrated. So I went on Amazon and ordered this air purifier here, and I've just plugged it in for the first time. It's got a light show that it does. It's got different settings. It's got timers. I can set it 4 hours. I can set it, let's see what that says, 8 hours or 10 hours. I just set it on 10 hours. So that's going. It's working. It's taking dust particles out of the air so I don't have to breathe them. And I've got some supplements from Amazon. Interesting supplements here. This one is nitric oxide with L-arginine and L-citrulline. Supports muscle growth and workout recovery. Extra strength. 19-20 milligrams per serving. 120 capsules dietary supplement. Nature's Nutrition. This is going to be interesting trying this out, because back in the day, decades ago, when I used to lift weights a lot, I would get sore and tear muscles, and back then I had found a nutritional supplement which gave a really speedy recovery, a miraculous overnight recovery from sore muscles due to working out. It speeded the recovery time, which meant I could get right back to working out like the next day. And then that supplement that I had disappeared from the shelves, and people were saying it was banned. I don't know if it was banned or not. I want to see if this is the same stuff. The other stuff was capsules, clear capsules, but they were big and they were contained a pink colored material that said nitric oxide on it, on the bottle. That was way back in the 90s, and that was a brown glass bottle. These pills are white. L-arginine base, 600 milligrams. L-arginine AKG 2-to-1 extract, 600 milligrams. L-citrulline HCl, 300 milligrams. L-citrulline malate extract, 300 milligrams. Beta-alanine, 120 milligrams. Other ingredients: cellulose, vegetable capsule, vegetable stearate, silicon dioxide. Supplement facts. Serving size: 3 capsules. Servings per container: 40. Calcium: 4%. Niacin: 141%. Interesting. I just took one pill. Let's see how that does. This one, L-arginine, nitric oxide precursor plus citrulline, amino acid, vascular support. Interesting. This stuff is supposed to be good for me. These amino acids here are supposed to be good for me. We'll see what they do. I used to take stuff like this back in the 90s with great results. Havasu Nutrition, L-arginine, nitric oxide precursor plus citrulline, amino acid, vascular support. 60 capsules, dietary supplement. Directions: take 2 capsules once a day, preferably with a meal. L-arginine HCI, 400 milligram. L-arginine alpha ketoglutarate, 400 milligram. L-citrulline DL-malate, 400 milligram. Beetroot powder, 100 milligram or microgram, milligram, mg. Other ingredients: hypromellose capsule, silicon dioxide, magnesium stearate. Supplement facts: serving size 2 capsules, servings per container 30. So this stuff is supposed to have some health benefits and help me in a few different ways, and then perhaps help muscle recovery. I have confidence in these supplements. I think there's going to be good results. I took one of the other peel. I'm going to take one of these. This one's not as strong as the other one. Now this looks more like I remember. This is more of a pinkish color. This is L-arginine, nitric oxide precursor with citrulline and beetroot powder. It's going to be interesting to see the results. And this one is a men's daily multivitamin, daily energy formula, 120 capsules. B vitamins, immune system and heart health support, with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Nature's Nutrition, men's daily multivitamin, formulated for men, dietary supplements. This one looks interesting. I want to put links to these things in the description down below the video in case you want to check them out. We'll take one of these. And we'll read the label some more. Directions: as a dietary supplement, take 2 capsules in the morning with a meal. Warning: consult with a physician prior to use if you have a medical condition. Do not use if pregnant or lactating. Keep out of the reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is damaged or missing. Store in a cool, dry place. Warning: reproductive harm. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Now, take a look at what's in here. Supplement facts. Serving size 2 capsules. Servings per container 60. Vitamin A 67%. Vitamin C as ascorbic acid 157 157 or 167%. Calcium as calcium carbonate 4%. Vitamin D as cholecalciferol 50%. Vitamin E as DL-alpha tocopherol acetate 90%. Vitamin B1 500. It looks like it says 580%. Vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12 as cyanocobalamin 1125%. Biotin, vitamin B5 as D-calcium pantothenate. Magnesium as magnesium oxide. Zinc 136% of zinc. Selenium as selenium amino acid chelate. Copper. Let's see what else is in here. Manganese. Chromium as chromium picolinate. Molybdenum. Male support. Lutein. Lycopene. Lycopersicum. Stinging nettle extract. Some of this stuff I can't read. Some kind of root. Sal palmetto. Something else. Immune support. Echinacea extract. Purpurea. Some different herbs in here. Antioxidant fruit and energy blend. Green tea extract. Hawthorn berries. Cinnamon bark. Bilberry fruit extract. Grapeseed extract. Black currant fruit extract. Pomegranate fruit extract. This vitamin seems to have a lot of stuff in it. Gonna see the effects of these pills, how they make me feel over the next few weeks. So I've been feeling stiff and sore and weak and not very limber or fast like I used to be. So we'll try out these things here. And the air purifier. I'm going to improve my quality of air with a night light show. I'll run this when I'm sleeping, get my air nice and clean. And hopefully over the next couple of weeks, we'll see a major difference. Till then, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Check back for updates. Have a nice day.